what's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Kendra and that's Taryn and we are living in OK life. So it has been a cool minute, you guys. We have not posted on here in about 7 months, but we are so thankful that you guys have just been rocking with us, giving us comments and asking where we've been. So we really appreciate the support and we are ready to show you guys another video. So we are here at the National Hotel here in Oklahoma City. We're downtown Oklahoma City. This building has been here since the 1930s, you guys. It was the National Bank, but now they just did like a multi-million-dollar renovation on it, and we are so excited to check it out. It just opened in April of 2022. So they have like apartments, a hotel in here, a bank vault that's been turned into a bar. So we're really excited to go check it out and show you guys.
And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you already been a subscriber, we are thank you for you rocking with us. So make sure you leave a comment, continue to stay tuned, and we have some more videos coming out for you. Let's get right into it.
So up first, we are headed to check out the apartments located in the National Hotel. They had an open house going on, which I believe she said they have every Saturday, and they would be glad to show you around. So if you want to go check it out, make sure you schedule an appointment and they would be glad to show you around. So these apartments are called the First Residences at First National. They were built for luxury and sophistication. So first we checked out a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and it's beautifully decorated, you guys. You see they have the navy and gold color scheme going on in here, and it's a pretty big apartment for downtown living. We are also going to go check out a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that was located right next door. But first, let's see how many times Taryn can say downtown in the next clip. What do you think about them, Bay?
Come on, Bay. Like, this is legit. Perfect downtown living. Like, this is really nice. You're literally downtown. There's no more downtown you can get. This is downtown. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Let's go look at the other side. So while we're checking out this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, let me tell you about just some of the community amenities they have. So they have state-of-the-art fitness centers, a spin studio, professional valet and concierge services, a resident social lounge, a lavish skyline pool deck with heated infinity pools, cabanas, and outdoor kitchen. That sounds amazing. We didn't get to check out any of that, but I definitely suggest you take a tour and see if they would be able to show you that. We just arrived a little late, so we didn't get to see it all.
But I'm already. Y'all can use both sides of the steps. We're just kind of blocking y'all.
Well, thank you. So up next, we are headed underground to the vault to check out the bar. It's actually called the Library of Distilled Spirits. So we are so excited to go get a drink and get some food and see what it has to offer. We ended up asking the bartender for a recommendation based off of their menu, and he asked us what kind of drinks we normally like. Well, of course, we like anything sweet with rum or tequila. So he customized us a cocktail, and I believe it was based off of this passion fruit gimlet that's last on this menu towards the left side. So if you like sweet drinks, then this is definitely for you because it was amazing. We also ordered food while we were here. So we had the 2 for $12 tacos, and we ended up getting the pork al pastor with grilled pineapple and cilantro. And we also had the crab tostada with charred corn, roasted tomato salsa, and cilantro. They were both really, really good, and I would definitely recommend ordering some food while you're here. They have like snacks and appetizers. It's not anything like a full service dinner, but it's definitely some good bites to eat while you're having a cocktail. After we finished eating, we decided to walk around the property and just look at some of the historical elements that they had and the stories that they told around the building. And it was really nice to see a little piece of history. The National was built in 1931 by the Johnson brothers, Hugh and Frank. Upon its completion, the National contained more aluminum than any building in the world and was the 4th largest structure west of the Mississippi River. On June 30th, 1979, deposits reached $1.1 billion, making the first national bank and trust company the largest bank in Oklahoma. In the 1980s, due to the oil and gas collapse, 47 Oklahoma banks closed, and the National soon followed, declaring bankruptcy and closing its doors on July 14, 1986. So up next, Taryn's gonna show you a really quick tour of the gym, and then we are headed to see the room.
Oh, there you are. So we are in the gym right now. Their gym is like huge for a hotel. Check it out. You have, if you want to do like individual isolate different muscles, you can literally do that from chest. You can do butterflies. This gym is awesome. Lats. You know I like the gym. Legs, rowing. This place is pretty sweet. 501. and we had an amazing time here. It's very comfortable. The bed's comfortable. The shower's awesome. But this morning we got breakfast. They have these menus in your room, and all you have to, and they'll deliver the breakfast to your room. So I got the homemade granola, and then Kendra got the Morty with orange juice and a side of, you already know, the bacon. Let's show you.
Rick and Morty.
But so this is my granola yogurt. Looks good. Actually looks really good. Her orange juice. Voila. However, oh, this is hot. Let's see what this is. Boom.
Oh, it's like a sandwich.
That's nice. That's nice. It looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Potatoes, bacon. Oh, I'm eating some of that.
Ooh, that's your granola. That's your granola.
Come on, man. Come on. Look, we don't get to stay in place like this often, so I'm gonna try like bacon, and I'm gonna try that sandwich and some and yo. Okay, I'm gonna.
You guys, it's gonna wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. We really did enjoy our stay here at the National Hotel here in downtown Oklahoma City. Checkout wasn't until 3 o'clock for a suite, so it was really nice to just get up, relax, eat breakfast, and then play some phase 10, take another nap, and then get up and get ready to leave. So I think regular checkout's at 12 though. So if you ever do stay here, you still have, you know, a little bit of time to get up and get ready for the day. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.